Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if NFC is not working on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system. After click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will check your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, just click and hold side power button and restart device. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more latest new videos. Thanks for watching.